Hello, I'm Jen and I'm going to quickly show you how to find uni courses on your Indigo Unis account. Start by logging onto your Indigo account and clicking on this Explore Courses tile. This will take you to our full list of uni courses laid out in alphabetical order. This is a long list and includes every degree course at every uni in the UK, which is a lot, so at this point it's good to use the filters to limit courses to only the relevant ones. Otherwise you'll be searching forever. If you know the subject you want to study, such as animal sciences, you can select it on this drop-down menu. This will take you to every degree course related to that subject. You can further limit by selecting where in the UK you want to go to uni. For example, Greater London. Now you've narrowed to a smaller list of options. You can still make this list smaller by limiting the options based on your target grades. You can see here that you can limit by A-level results, but it's also shown as tariff points for students who are studying other courses like International Baccalaureate or BTECs. After this, you can click on the course you want to look at and see the details about it on the course profile here. You can also click here to link to the uni website to see more information directly from them. You can use the Compare tool to look at these courses side by side and see the differences between courses at various unis or various courses at the same uni. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this how-to video helpful, but if you have any questions about how to use Indigo Unis that you want to cover in other videos, please leave a comment below or email us at hello@indigo.careers. And don't forget to follow Trotman Indigo on social media to get updates about what we're doing, and subscribe to our channel to find all of our help videos in the future.